Hi guys! In this video we are looking at the muscles that we have in our head. Some of them, not all of them, okay? So here we go. This muscle that starts right here in the occipital bone and then it goes all the way up to the frontal bone is the occipital frontalis muscle. And covering the occipital frontalis muscle we have this aponeurosis, which is conveniently named epicranial, so above the cranium, epicranial aponeurosis. Now, the occipital frontalis muscle is the muscle that really helps you to remember that when muscle contracts, the insertion pulls towards the origin. And you can easily remember that because the occipital frontalis muscle, it starts, so the origin is at the occipital bone and the insertion is in the frontal bone. And every time this muscle contracts, we lift our eyebrows. So we raise our eyebrows. And that's how you do to remember that the insertion pulls towards the origin, because the insertion point that is in the frontal bone will be able to lift the eyebrows, and that is because the insertion is moving towards the origin, which is at the occipital bone. So hopefully that made sense, because we know it all makes sense, right? Yeah, we know that. Now let's look at the muscles that we have in the anterior aspect of our face. Now, can you see this muscle right here that's going like an orbit around the eye? And eye is the ocular area, right? So this muscle that's going like an orbit around the eye is named orbicularis oculi. How do you believe this muscle that's going like an orbit around the oral cavity is called? This one is called orbicularis oris, making a reference to the oral cavity. Wonderful. This muscle right here that is on the cheekbone, that's the muscle that allows you to smile, so it lifts the endings of your mouth up. That is the zygomaticus. And you have the zygomaticus major and minor, but we are not going into that. Just say zygomaticus right here. This muscle is the muscle that's right here. And this muscle allows you to whistle. That's how you do to remember that this muscle is the buccinator muscle, because bocina in Spanish makes noise. So remember that the muscle that allows you to make noise is this one, that is the buccinator. When we look at this muscle right here, can you see that this muscle would lift my lips? Yes, so this muscle is called levator labii superioris. And this muscle right here, let's use this as a reference. All this is what we call depressor anguli oris. Because when this muscle right here contracts, we would be like that sad emoji. So we would look depressed, right? So this is the depressor anguli oris.